Install Olive Video Editor in Linux MODICIA OS 24. Download the file from the video description link. Open a terminal and paste the commands you find in the file, one at a time. Open the opt folder in the file system and you will see that it contains the Olive AppImage program. Now let's create a launcher for Olives. Right-click on the desktop and select Create a new launcher. Now enter the title, description, and link to the program and find a suitable icon. You will now be asked if you want to integrate the new launcher into all distribution menus. If you want to integrate it automatically, select Yes. Now you can start the new video editing program. Copying a phrase from Looney Tunes, that's all folks.